Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today I want to share some information regarding the normal blood pressure levels. Its classification is very much complex, but if the blood pressure is less than 140, the systolic, and the diastolic is less than 90, for normal persons who do not take antihypertensive drugs. One reading is not diagnostic and multiple readings in multiple times. Often advice for suspected person is dietary advice, restriction of salt and oily. If consistently the blood pressure is more than 140 systolic and more than 90 the diastolic, then take medicine according to your doctor's advice. Blood pressure for more than 130 systolic and more than 80 diastolic is, we take it, hypertension in those patients who are already taking the antihypertensive drugs, and then they have to take medicine advice regarding their changes in their current medications. Thank you very much.